Welcome to my wig channel. Today we're going to get into wig fashion styling. Some do's and don'ts, particularly if you are in the corporate arena, or how to style your hair to be a corporate success, but also for us baby boomers. It's perfectly fine for us to buy these long wigs, but there is a secret in styling. Come with me and let's begin. First off, when it comes to baby boomers, and that age group tends to keep going higher and higher and higher. But let me just basically say, I feel that if you're like 50, 55, 60 plus on up, that you understand that if you're going to be wearing a wig, it's very important, particularly in the corporate arena, that you always wear your hair up and away. I see on television so many of these beautiful, beautiful women media reporters, as well as many of our leaders that are undergoing to head up many of our agencies. And these women are gorgeous, but they're wearing their hair like this, long, down, and in their face, even though they're young, but still, it's just not professional looking. The professional look must be elegant, and the elegance is this. Most all hairstyles, other than being elegant, say for a special VIP dance, should always be up and away, either wearing it up or away. And I'll show you a few styles. The reason being is that hair will have a tendency, if you have all this stuff going on and curls and long hair, the viewer that's listening to you, they see you and you're not put together corporately or professionally, and their minds will shift to thinking, oh, well, she's a very sexual, beautiful woman, but that's not what you want. You want them to be able to sign on the dotted line and write you a check to invest in your company, right? So you've got to be serious. You've got to understand the dynamics, the financial background, and all that. You have to really show that you are really smart. And with hair all hanging around in your face, you just don't come across as credible. Great for entertainment, even great for media, I guess, but you tend not to listen to what they're trying to convey to you. They don't take you as seriously. So let's begin when it comes to a VIP dance or whatever. Of course, you can wear your hair down. Now, the only exception would be for those of you that are baby boomers. Baby boomers, anyone from 50 on up, we need to always wear our hair up and away from our face. Why? Because when we wear our wigs and comb our hair and it's down, it just brings our face down. It accelerates our wrinkles, right? So even in an elegant dance, if I was going to an elegant dance, there's so many different ways that I can style this long wig. Most likely, I would be doing braids up to the side and then maybe flowing in the back, or braid up to the back and actually all the way up like in a bun to make it very, very elegant looking. But I'm going to show you some of my personal styles, easy, breezy, from travel, because I travel about every other month. I'm overseas on some trip. And so it's very important for me that my wig stays on and does not slowly slip, because it has done that, slowly slip off as I wake up and went, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? So let me share with you styles that are easy. Now, what I do, first of all, when I get up in the morning, I'll just take my wig, whichever style I'm going to wear, and just shake it. Then I take the big comb and I just kind of fluff it through. Then I put my wig on. But for instance, if I was going to wear this out to do my errands, my next step would be my scrunchie. This right here. And I basically just put it all back. It could be just in one bun or a double bun. I'll put the double bun just to show you. See, in the back. Now I also could do it just with one bun and just let it kind of droop down. Or a lot of times is I'll wear it. Now this is what I sometimes do when I have to do a corporate presentation. I'll wear it back like this. Here's a scrunchie. But what I'll do is I just lost an earring. Anyway, I have it like this, or sometimes if I want to be a little bit more professional, I'll double scrunch it like this and give my presentation. You see? Very, very corporate looking, very sophisticated, very graceful, but it's up and away from my face. Okay? Now for the fun, when it comes to special events, I love bohemian types of dressing with the long earrings. I don't have an earring now because it came off. But basically, I use these hairbands, and this is what I do. I just put it down. Now, a little technique, just to be aware, when you put these bands on, always go to the top and start pressing it down and around, because you want it to be as flat and as down and around as possible. And bring this up so it's even on both sides, that look. And I sometimes wear it down like this, or a lot of times, if I'm on a tour, as an example, international tour, you know, with a bus on and off, whatever, and if it's windy, I usually do a scrunchie, usually on the side with the band, or in the back, double scrunchie, but still with the band. The band is very, very helpful, not only for the bohemian dresser having fun, but also for travel. I find that my going on tours and all that, this is a go-to, a must-do. There's also, and I'll put the links below, these great little bands that you can just put here. It kind of keeps your hair back, and away you go. Okay, I use those. But we all know about this. The secret to these little fellas. All right, you're home. All of a sudden, the doorbell rings. You look out the window. Oh my God, it's the neighbors. I'm running late. I was going to meet with my friends. We're going to go out and grab a lunch together. Boing, boing. That took less than 5 seconds, and away I go. So let me show you in the back. So you do get kind of an idea that it's so much fun to style these wigs. And for those of you that are brand new to wigs, you know a little secret? When you actually do these kind of styles, like this is a long, beautiful, curly wig, you might feel very uncomfortable in wearing it the first time, but you're not going to feel uncomfortable wearing it this way, right? Styling it this way. Go out, go to the grocery store, do your errands, and then slowly, maybe next time, you'll walk out and you have it down, maybe in a scrunchie. So we're all so unique. Our journeys are all so different. But guess what? I need you to subscribe. I also need you to make a comment and share with us, share with our community, what are some ways that you style your hair other than the braids. The only reason I didn't do the braids here is because I don't know how to braid. I've seen the videos. Yes, I've watched them all. I can't do it, but they are beautiful. So if you're going to like a very elegant wedding or whatever, if you do go to your hairdresser, I definitely would do some braids, but always wear it up to be in that beautiful, elegant gown that you would be wearing. But have a great day. Stay tuned for my next wig chat. Have a great day.